What is up, people? It is Spade Airsoft back with another video. This time we're at a different field. This time we are at MK Airsoft in Medina, Ohio. It was me, Panther, Ranger. We linked up with Wonder KP, which I finally met in person. It was finally good to actually meet you. We played at MK Airsoft Medina, Ohio. It's like a shoot house. Everything's really close quarters. The joule limit there is 1.1 and the FPS is 350, so you get lit up. It doesn't hurt as much. Overall, I had a really good time. We were out there for 3 days. I had a really good time with the people. The staff was amazing, the refs, the managers. At one point, you'll see that I broke my stock and they fixed it for free. So shout out to you, Pat. Thank you for that. And got a photo shoot. Thank you, April, for that. But overall, I had a really good time. If you haven't been to this field, check it out. MK Airsoft in Medina, Ohio. But that's all I got, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
All right, brothers.
You struggling there? Struggling there?
Huh?
Struggling there?
No. I wasn't trained for that.
My sight broke.
Wait, I got you. I need new gloves. Whoa. Get against the wall! Follow along. Get against the wall, sir! Sir, stop! Don't get the gun! Very. I love it. That's lovely, buddy. Bro, Applebee's would be so good, but you're kind of a little, you're annoying.
Ah! Shoot him! I can't get my gun out.
Flashlight and laser?
Dude, you're gonna get the laser in your eyes? My eyes are closed.
What do you think everyone's about? Battle cry. Hey, I'll grab it one. All right, boys, follow me. Boys, come on, everybody. Oh. Follow me, boys, come on. I'm good. Go. Oh. Everybody can't fire. Yeah, just happened. What are you, drunk? Yeah, I wish. Joking. Go ahead. Oh, you got the Pit Vipers too. He's got the Miamis. Yeah, this guy. They look clean, bro. I like those. The Bajas that just came out. Oh, gimme. Hi. Oh, you walked right into that. So I do it, it's okay, but he... Hi. Oh, dude. Oh, I didn't think when I stood, like,
I closed my eyes. I forgot that I had my flash on.
Oh, your flash on? You didn't think looking at the sun would blind you. let's go. Hey, you're good to push up. Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry, man. Stay up here. Nice job, dude.
Max out, barrel covers on. If you're in the tower, stay.
Nice job.
Nice job, nice job.
Nice job, dude.
4, 5, 6,
Nice job, bro. I like the 36.
Well done,
Thanks,
well
man.
done.
This is the apprentice! Hello!
Good stuff. I like this field. This is dope.
Let's go. Good job. Good job.
I'll give you a fist bump.
Good job. We gotta stay in here now.
Yeah, you gotta stay here. Oh, okay. Yeah, he counted us already. He walked by.
He walked by, I felt him count.
Where's the my barrel cover?
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.